Okay, guys, this is the cabinet that I'm going to be putting up. It's in my garage. It's huge, man. I'm not going to be able to move it by myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the box down and get all the pieces out. Okay, guys, you get ready to get started. These are the floors. This is going to be the first part of the installation. All right. Okay, guys, I added the floor, but I don't like the stability, so I'm going to have to add a border. Here I go. So I'm starting all of these just so I can go straight to the piercing hole. Okay, guys, I just put this beam up, but I'm gonna tell you it was tricky for one person. So what I did is, let me step back, is I used two ladders. The smaller ladder for me to stand on and the larger ladder to be the second person, okay? And basically what I did is I rested the beam on the ladder on both the painter level and the top level. That's what I did while I got it down inside the grooves. So these are the grooves that you got to get this behind. Okay, you got to get it behind there, and then you screw them on. Okay, you got to get it behind, and then you screw them on. Okay, that's what you have to do. So like I said, this was a little bit difficult, but not too difficult that I couldn't do it. Okay, the next thing I'm getting ready to do is put another beam all the way straight across here, and once I get done with that beam, I'll show you the that, and then I'll tell you about the technical difficulties, that because I think that's the most thing that people are looking for on YouTube, is a guide or some help to get everything in to put together. They don't want to just see you do it, they want you to tell them something too. At least that's what I think, and that's what I look for. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, I did that, and guess what? It wasn't as hard as I thought. So there's a couple things that I want to show you here. First of all, when you are putting these up here, I think you need to start on the outside. Don't start in the center like you think you would to balance it. Just use the bar right here to balance this piece until you get one inside of the cage. Once you get in the cage, just put the screw through and the anchor and just hold it in place. And then I went to this side, I did the same thing, and then I came to the center, and there's a screw here as well that you have to put. Now, I will tell you, this screw tried to wrestle with me. What I did is I screwed it a little bit. If it gets stopped, I unscrew it. It kept doing it until it went in there smoothly. So you got to kind of work with that. Make sure it's lined. You probably want to make sure that hole that this goes in is lined perfectly center before you start to try to screw inside of there. Okay? All right, so what I'm going to go do right now is all of my screws with anchors. I'm going to go back right now and make sure that they're all tightened. Okay, guys, this part right here was pretty easy. I am assembling the left side of the roof, which does not have the crease that I nailed on it, you know, the top, a post that I nailed on it, just the sides of the roof. All I had to do was line these tabs up inside of that, and then I had to take the mallet and kind of bump them so that it would lock. Okay, very simple, guys. That part is. And then what happens is the other portion rests in the middle. Let me show you. Rest here in the middle, right there in the channel, right there. Okay, it's this side right here. All right, there's some more to it, but that's the main part right there for now. Okay, we'll get to the other parts in a little bit. So guys, when you first put the second half on, it's going to be a little off right here, because you gotta use the mallet to make it even. Okay, so what I would do if I were you is just make sure that the left side is lined up. Use your mallet and tap, 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 tap until it falls into place. Okay, see how it's falling into place now? All right, let me finish. Okay, guys, this side is a little challenging. So what I want to do is I'm going to try to secure the top of this from the outside instead of the inside. Okay, now when I get over to the back side, it's going to be a little more challenging. I maybe have to wait until my daughter get here. I'm going to try to do it myself, you know that. But it's going to be a little more challenging because the other part of the roof is already on there, so I can't come on the other side. You know, from the inside, I can't hammer it like I was doing, okay? But here we go. We're going to try something. Okay, guys, it's getting ready to storm here. But I just wanted to show you, I did get the roof on, even and everything. Now, what I will tell you that is, although I used a mallet on the left side, when it was time to do the right side, I had to use my strength, okay? Because you don't have no place to take the mallet and hammer, because you already got that roof thing on the top of the roof. So you have to work that out on your own. And I just tell you, seriously, I really just used my strength and I just pulled it till it snapped in there. And it didn't take long, so I ain't talking about no mega strength. I'm just talking about a little strength, guys. All right? I like the skylights in here. Kind of helps. Even though I got an electrical cord outlet in here, you know, I still like that. This is the outlet for my electrical cord right here. Okay, so guys, it's getting ready to storm. I'm going to show you too, so I'm not going to be able to finish today, but I'm still keep working. It ain't here yet. I just got my bag packed up, so when it does start to rain, my phone and my tools, they already ready to go. Okay, so we're going to work to the end. Let's see what else we can get done. Okay, guys, this is the final portion. It's the door. I done went through rain, sweat, and tears to get this project finished. Every day it has rained here in Virginia, but it did not stop me. Let's get this door on and be done with this storage for today. Well, after a lot of adjusting of the hinges as well as the base of the frame and everything, I finally got these damn doors to close properly. So I am done and satisfied.
What?
I hope y'all like it. Now let's watch the storage before we load it.